Meaning of glamorous.
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 Glamorous. Glamorous refers to something that is attractive or exciting, often in a luxurious or high-fashion way. It's a term used to describe people, places, and things that are visually appealing and evoke a sense of sophistication or elegance. When something is described as glamorous, it's often associated with beauty, wealth, and fame. It can connote a sense of excitement or allure, inspiring admiration and envy from others. Overall, to be glamorous is to exude a sense of style, luxury, and allure that captivates those who encounter it.